Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open Settings and choose Digital Balance to access screen time controls. This feature shows device and app usage for today and 7 days. You will set a 4-digit PIN to protect limits and bedtime rules. Tap App Limits to create timers for specific apps or categories. Use Daily Limit to set totals in hours and minutes for phone use. Use Downtime to schedule reduced access during sleep or study hours. First, tap App Limits, choose Target Apps, then set hours and minutes for daily use. Next, use Daily Limit to cap total screen time across all apps on this phone. Enable Downtime and set start and end times, for example 22:00 to 07:00. During downtime, chosen apps will be blocked or limited automatically. Finally, set a 4-digit PIN to prevent changes without your permission. Test limits by opening a limited app and confirming the block message appears. Use focus profiles to allow selected apps during downtime or other hours. Exempt essential apps like phone or alarm if you need them available overnight. Adjust app timers individually when a child or user needs extra minutes for homework. If limits fail, restart the phone and check for system updates immediately. Remove and reapply a specific app limit to refresh enforcement after updates. Regularly review weekly reports in Digital Balance to fine-tune limits for better device habits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.